How to get TikTok back after the ban is still possible and fairly simple. As many of you may know, TikTok has been banned in the United States, which means it's no longer accessible through the App Store. However, there are still ways to regain access to the app. If you already have TikTok downloaded on your phone, you can still access it using a VPN. To do this, download any reliable VPN app from the App Store. Once installed, set the location to a country outside of the United States. Then, open TikTok, and you should be able to use it as normal. For those of you who don't already have the app on your phone, the process is slightly different. You'll need to change the region of your App Store. To do this, go to the App Store, click on your name, select Region, and change it to a country outside of the US. Once you've done that, TikTok should reappear in the App Store and you'll be able to download it again. Keep in mind that while VPNs work for now, as the app gets updated in the future, access may become more restricted. You might eventually need stronger VPNs or other workarounds to bypass the ban. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing for more tips.